Want a team that works for you 24/7 without paying out a single salary? In this video, I'm going to be going over the new GoHighLevel Agent Studio Builder so you can build your own AI workforce that handles sales, tasks, bookings, so you can focus on what matters most, which is growing your business. So to access this AI Agent Studio, we're going to come into your high-level dashboard. We're going to go right down to AI Agents, and we're going to click Agent Studio. Okay, it's going to look just like this. So to create your first agent, all we need to do is click Create Agent. We're going to put a name in, so we're just going to name it Lisa, and then we're just going to leave this as is. You put whatever name in and whatever description in. Then you're going to click Create Agent. So this is very much like Make.com or N8N. It's basically building a custom AI agent to do tasks. So this is different than the voice AI agents and the AI chatbots and all this stuff because it's combining it all into one. So before I go through what all of these mean and how to build an AI agent, I first want to explain really what this is, how it's different, and why it is important. Because I'm telling you guys right now, this is the future of everything. So GoHighLevel's AI Agent Studio lets you create an AI that chats, so think conversation AI, talks on the phone, voice AI, and handles tasks, ask AI, all in one, saving you time and helping you get more leads. It is taking all of the AI features pretty much of AI Employee and putting them into one sentient agent as you see down here. And guys, this just came out. This is new, so it isn't as powerful as it will be. But as it gets better, this will be able to do almost anything for you. Think of it as like a VA, a robot VA to do whatever you want. Guys, I'm telling you right now, this is like, it's almost freaking me out how powerful it is. And it's the kind of thing where it's only going to get so good and so powerful so fast that you can replace so much of your team with this. This is going to be the hottest thing to sell in 2026 alongside the AI voice agents and chatbots because they're all going to be blended into one. So here's a couple things that this can do because this isn't just a basic agent. So first off, it can handle all your calls and texts automatically. Again, conversation AI, AI voice agent, which then goes into basically booking appointments and following up nonstop for you so you don't have to. Then what it can do is it can create videos, images, and generate text so you can work harder on converting your leads, which I'm going to show you later to do. This AI could send a lead, a video of you or whoever it wants to generate of you, like buy GHL right now, and it will generate the video and send it to them. Like fully sentient. Do you see how powerful that is? It can generate this stuff and send it out. Then it learns to get smarter over time, so it's self-learning. This is the really big one where it's going to get even more powerful. Is it can research for you. It can do tasks, complete workflows. It's basically in the future, and it's not like this just yet, but it's going to be able to go in, build out a funnel, connect it to an automation, connect it to a form. It'll be able to do jobs for you inside of HighLevel. Again, think AI VAs. Like this is going to give people such a big advantage. They will move so much faster than everyone else. It's unfair. And last but not least, you're just combining everything all in one. So you have everything in one place. This is the beginning of it, but this is going to be the future because people are going to have one AI agent that's going to run everything for their business. It's going to turbocharge people's output. So now we're going to go back to the builder, and I'm going to explain what all of these mean, okay, and walk you through building an AI agent. So I want to let you know that this is actually better than stuff like N8N or Make.com because it can take this and add it to the CRM and have all the features in HighLevel together to make it way more powerful. You don't have to take other things third party and put it in. It's everything in one place for one price. So the first thing over here, we have the nodes. So all of this stuff is building blocks. Each one of these is a building block of your AI agent. You take these, you put them on here just like this, you drag and drop, you fill it out, and that's what's going to build your AI agent. So that's the basics of how this works. And if you click it, you can either edit it or delete it. So first up, we have the AI agent node. So this is the brain of this entire operation. It's basically what thinks it's the AI agent. So we pull this out, you come in, you put the exact prompt of the AI agent you want, then you pick the exact AI model you want. Okay, obviously we want to put more down, but once you have all of that through, you would just click save and then it would be done. And then obviously from there, you can just go like this to connect and then put the condition in to have it work. But again, I'm just showing you and explaining what that is, but that's the first node is the AI agent. Then what we have is we have the sequential node. This node just runs things in order. So step 1, step 2, step 3. It's just basically the chain of sequences that have this entire thing flow. And again, you drop it in and you add in your processing nodes, which are these right here, which we will get to in a second. So then what we have is we have end node. So this node, we put down, this will end, okay, the AI agent. So this is going to be, and it can't be connected because we have to actually have nodes in here, but We have to have working nodes. But what this is going to do is this is going to stop the agent after the tasks are done. That way it has a hard stop. Okay. And that's basically what you're going to do to stop your operation. It's like a stop in an automation. Then what we have is we have search knowledge base. So this is if it needs to basically gather data. We put this in, we'd put the exact instructions, then we would pick the exact knowledge base you want. And what this is going to do is this is going to have it go through and look at said knowledge base. So it knows exactly what to say, because it doesn't just pull this from the ether, it pulls it from somewhere. Then what we have is the search the web node. So if you want your AI agent to go in and search the web, you can put the instructions you want to do, then the query of the web search, and it will go on Google or wherever, other AI LLMs, and it's going to search stuff. So if you are doing stuff for real estate and you want to know, the exact prices and compare listings, it'll go through and it'll search the internet for you and do that research automatically. This is where research becomes really powerful, and you can have it answer way more complex questions. So like comparing prices of clothing, stuff with real estate, stuff with law firm pricing. Like you can do so much more. Bidding on jobs, it can know so much more. It has way more capability than regular agents because it can search the internet. Then what we have right here is what's called the MPC server node. This is going to connect your AI to other AIs and other servers, basically kind of like Zapier, to give it more powerful. And you just fill out the proper instructions. And from there, you can then connect this with so many other things to give it superpowers. This is where, this is more advanced stuff, but this is where you make this thing like invincible. And this can do with webhooks and other stuff like that, where you really get really dialed in. Then what we have is we have the API call node. So this is a lot more like Zapier. This could, connect to Google Sheets, put in spreadsheets. It's basically working within different platforms to connect and do stuff like that. So this is very powerful if you want to connect to other software similar to this one to really get this booming. Now what we have is we have the generative AI and the capture information. So what these are is these are different tasks that it can do. It can generate audio using AI. It can generate images using AI. It can do text generation via AI, and it can create videos via AI. Then it can collect the email address, the phone number, the single choice, and the text input. And these are basically things that you can put inside the node. So for example, if we come right up here, okay, and we were to do a sequential node, if we were to click an add processing node, we would take one of these. So once you're building, you would come in and go, okay, after we start, what I immediately wanted to do is I wanted to generate a video. We then would drop this in, and then we go through the steps of having to generate a video or capture the email address. So that's where you'll drag and drop to create said agent. So then up here, we have variables, which are kind of like custom values, custom fields. You can plug in global prompts, which is basically what you can apply to the entire AI agent, just like a basic prompt. You can click test, which we'll run through in a sec. We test it, save, and then publish. And that's basically how you walk through. So now what I'm going to do, now that you understand all of this, and guys, if you have any questions on any of this, please drop them down below. I will answer personally. I want to make sure I help you out. I now want to go through building a basic AI agent for you. And I want to let you know again, and I've said this multiple times, this is in the beginning stages. This is new. It's not as good as it's going to be. And soon it's going to connect with all of high level. So when someone submits a form, it's going to go through and do everything. But right now it is in the beginning stages. So don't worry about that, but it's going to keep getting better. So right before I jump into the last part, which is building the agent, I want to let you know if you guys are interested in learning more about building AI agents, but more importantly, selling them to local businesses, which is how you make the money here. A lot of people online just focus on learning, but you got to actually sell. I have a free community you can join when you sign up with my 30-day free trial link of High Level. You'll get access to the community. You get access to all the trainings you could want, snapshots, how to get clients, AI prompts, sales scripts, even 6 live coaching calls per week so we can fine-tune your sales, make sure you understand what you're doing, and turn you into a lethal closing machine. That's the whole goal of this. And these are with real agency owners. You can even talk to me, the wizard, myself on Zoom, or message me whenever you want inside this community. And all of this is worth over $10,000. And guys, it's free when you sign up with the link right down below. So I'm telling you, check it out. If you don't believe me and you think this is too good to be true, if you click that link, you will see all the testimonials and case studies. It's more than anyone else has because I have the best community online. So please check it out. I think it's going to blow you away. And again, it's all free when you sign up with the trial down below. So now what we're going to do is we're going to create a basic, very, very basic tool, okay? A basic AI agent. So first thing, we're going to start with our start node, okay? Then what we're going to do is we're going to come right into, let's do video generation. I'm just going to walk you through this slide thing. So what we're going to do is create me a video of a guy running and saying, buy GHL from the GHL Wizard. He has best community. Boom, just like that. You put in this exact variable name, which we leave as is. That's just for storage purposes. Then we can pick either VEO or VEO fast. Guys, this is the most powerful model we have out right now. It's super powerful. Pick the exact aspect ratio, then the resolution, and then we're going to click save. Then what we're going to do is we're going to click connect. So I'm going to be building a couple basic ones just to show you because we have a lot here. But the whole goal is we can chain stuff together to build something super powerful. So in the future, when someone submits a form, we can send this immediately. So we're going to click save. Then from there, we're going to come right in and we're going to click generate to see this test go through. Boom, look at that. Okay, let's check this out.
By GHL from the GHL Wizard.
Okay. Obviously, I gave it really, really low prompt, but that's pretty good though. That's pretty good. I mean, that looks pretty real. So if we go back, I mean, let's look at this right now.
By GHL from the GHL Wizard.
That's pretty good. That's like this, and you could do whatever you want. I mean, we can try it again. Let's go and let's say, create me a video of a woman mowing a lawn, saying. Because, guys, what I'm showing you is it's not that you're going to be adding this in. It's the power and the creativity to when leads come in, you could send them videos, convert them, and do all kinds of stuff. Guys, it's only going to get crazy from here. So we have this now. So what I'm going to do now is generate. And let's see what this can do for us. Actually, we want to save that first. Let's see. Hopefully it did that. All right, it didn't save properly, as you saw before, so I have to save this and do this again. Because you just saw, let's see if it understands my bad spelling. If it does that, it's brownie points. But it just basically changed the view.
GHL from the GHL Wizard.
Well, that's a better video running there. But again, I'm giving it very poor instructions. Like, I'm just being broad. You could get really in depth. Like, have it looking at me. Have it walking at a certain pace. Have the background be dragons. Like, you can get as specific as you want. And I'm not showing you this, again, just to be like, hey, we can create cool images. There's so much you can do with image and video generation. Closing leads. Okay, setting proper estimates, showing what your lawn would look like once it's mowed, show your teeth what it look like once they're done because you're dental, a dental clinic. There's so much you can do with this. And I'm telling you, what's going to end up happening is the vast majority of businesses are going to take way too long to adopt this. So there's going to be this window of probably over a year where a bunch of businesses are going to get way ahead. And when they get way ahead because you've helped them, they will have way more money, which they'll be able to spend on you if you've done stuff properly. That's where I see this going. I mean, I really do. I would place and bet all my money on this if I could. This is where I see this going, and there's going to be a huge wealth gap coming here soon, where all the people that are using AI, especially businesses, are just going to destroy every other business, and the other businesses are going to take too long to evolve. I just see it. It's just going to be the end for a lot of businesses because they don't evolve. But this is where you come in and you sell this to them and help them out so they can get ahead while it matters most. So, okay, let's check this one out now.
From the GHL Wizard, he has best community.
I didn't even put in best community, but I put that. Oh, I did. But see, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Whether you think or not, like, I give it very little and it was able to create that. Again, I'm just doing this for fun and just showing you what it can do, but it can do so much more. Haircut. I want my hair to look a certain way. Send them a video, send them an image. I want my lawn to look a certain way. I want my retainer wall. Like, I want estimates. Just think and it can do it. That's where we're getting. It's getting crazy really fast. So then if we didn't like this and we want to do that, there's all kinds of other stuff we can do here. Like you see here, okay, having it search knowledge bases, having it connect to other software. So it's like, hey, I want to immediately have Square, booking appointments be plugged into here. It's almost like Zapier. It's coming to that. Even the stuff with researching the internet is big. Like if we came in here and want to fetch, info on the web, let's say, give me the average quote for a backyard renovation. Okay. Sorry, my spelling is, I'm typing so fast right now. But this, I want to show you guys this. So we were to do this. We come in here, we could connect this. And I'm just showing you can do this for real estate, Zillow, seeing the prices of listings, stuff with law firms, seeing literally whatever you want you could do. So if we click save, okay, and we come to test, okay, we're going to come right in here and we're just going to do generate. And we're going to see what it does and see what it pulls up because it's now going to go from here and search the internet. Oh, okay, we'll tell it. Search the web. We'll do that. I guess you got to be more specific with these things. Boom, look at that. So it is pulling from the actual legitimate averages. The reason this is important is in the future when this can, chat with the internet, it can go through and generate images. There's so much you'll be able to do with that. Like having an AI agent that can actually do this kind of stuff will make it able to go up against complex sales. And when they properly iron out all the kinks with this AI agent, okay, and it can check the internet while generating images, while connected to other servers, what it's going to be able to do is it's going to give it the ability, listen closely, to do complex sales. I'm talking replacing good salespeople. Now, some of you guys might freak out because you're a salesperson, but you want to get on this now and use it so it can help you to sell for you, because it's going to make sales crazy powerful here soon, because it's going to have the ability to check everything and be more sentient and aware. So that's it, guys. I hope you got value from this video. This is a newer feature, so it's kind of has some bugs as things are working out. If you have any questions on this at all, drop a comment down below. Now, if you want to learn how to sell this and really scale your AI agency, check out that 30-day free trial link. Get all those bonuses for free. I think it's really going to help, and you have nothing to lose when you try it. But now what I want to do is I want to link a video at the end of this video that's going to be going over AI voice agents. AI voice agents are so powerful, and it's part of this entire process. If you don't understand AI voice agents, this builder right here is not going to make sense. You're going to be lost. So please watch this video. It's going to pop at the end of this video because it's going to go over AI voice agents. So thanks again, guys. Drop a comment if you have any questions. Sign up with High Level down below, and make sure you watch the video that pops up at the end of this one.